Figured I'd take a little road trip out to Highlands today, just because why not? And well, that 3 inches of rain looks like triple drops in on the Seja, which is pretty rad. Definitely not the warmest place in the world, but that's stop number 1. Continue down this road, and this gorge is absolutely stacked with drops like that. Excitement! So I did a pretty poor job at filling you guys in. Pretty much, I needed an excuse to drive the Subaru, so why not take a little road trip out to Highlands, to the steepest gorge that I know of. I've actually only been out here once, never really took the time to really stop, kind of drove through it, but let's see, let's go this way. We're just gonna hunt. I've got all day, just kind of wander around, no plans whatsoever, and see what we can get into. As I'm slipping and sliding. Don't vlog and hike. Woo! As I say that. As I say, don't vlog and hike. I have a pretty good feeling that all the kayakers in the area are gonna know exactly where I'm standing. I think it's a pretty fair assumption to say that kayakers, we know where the goods are. So I realize this has been a very scattered video. I spent all morning in Highlands, driving around the rivers up there. Now I'm actually in Pisgah, which is kind of a left turn, but it was on the way home and I figured, hey, why not? But overall, the reason this video has been absolutely so scattered is I've really just been trying to get a good feel for the car. About first 300 miles on it, so everything feels good. Lane centering or all the lane assist eyesight stuff's a little scattered on the mountain roads, so I ended up turning it off. But city roads, it's absolutely fantastic to have that lane centering dialed in and kind of get to be lazy for a little bit. Yeah, that's a brand new canister. And there's dirt in there. So thank you guys for watching. I know it's been kind of a random video. I ended up going to Highlands this morning. Now I'm in Pisgah at the base of Looking Glass Rock. But at the end of the day, it was just kind of a fun day to get out, adventure around, and enjoy having a new car. So I got more stuff like this coming in the future. I want to film more adventures like this, just random days out and about, because I think there's a lot to enjoy here. If that's something you guys are interested in, or you just want to wait around until I'm back in a boat, hopefully sooner rather than later, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It goes a long way, and I'm going to keep pushing out stuff like this. So enjoy it for the meantime, and I'll be back in a boat sooner or later. But hot chocolate for now, and soak in the views. So see you in the next one.